In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentages in Power BI using DAX. Understanding how to calculate percentages is vital, whether you're analyzing sales data, profits, or any other data set where you need to evaluate proportions. It's a fundamental skill that will empower you to make more informed decisions based on your data. So, let's dive in and see how you can implement this in Power BI using a simple yet powerful approach. First, you need to create a measure in Power BI. Measures are essential when working in Power BI, as they allow for dynamic calculations across your data model. To create a measure, simply open up your Power BI desktop, navigate to your Data tab, and there, you'll want to click on the New Measure button. This will be the starting point for defining your percentage calculation. Once you have your measure set up, the next step is to define it with a DAX formula. DAX, or Data Analysis Expressions, is the formula language used in Power BI. To calculate a percentage, you will use the divide function within DAX, which is expressed as %example equals divide, part value, total value, 0. Let's break this down. The part value represents the specific measure or sum that you want to determine the percentage for. This could be the individual sales number for a particular product, the amount of profit from a certain service, or any other specific value you're looking at. On the other hand, the total value is your broader measure or sum, providing the context or base for this calculation. In most cases, this would be the total sales or the overall profit figure. It's important to note the third parameter, 0, at the end of the divide function. This is an optional safety net. It's there to prevent errors when dividing by 0. When there's a possibility of having a denominator that is equal to 0 in your dataset, having this 0 ensures the software doesn't throw an error, thereby keeping your data analysis process smooth and uninterrupted. Next, after you've successfully created your measure, the final touch is to format it as a percentage. To do this, head over to the Modeling tab at the top of your Power BI interface. From there, make sure your new measure is selected. You'll find an option labeled Formatting. Within this menu, you can set your measure to display as a percentage, which will adjust the values accordingly. Additionally, you may want to decide on the number of decimal places your percentage should reflect. Power BI gives you control over this, allowing you to specify exactly how precise you need your percentage figures to be. And there you have it. You now have a new percentage measure added to your report. By mastering these simple steps, you can create dynamic, insightful reports that better illustrate the proportions and insights crucial for your analysis. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing with Power BI.